How to apply polypropylene fiber to concrete projects. TennoBricks polypropylene synthetic microfiber does not conflict with concrete aggregates, additives, and mixtures or cement. During construction, the fibers can be added directly to the mixer according to the mix ratio, without any special requirements for mixing and construction processes, as long as appropriate mixing time is ensured. Usage steps for TennoBricks polypropylene synthetic microfiber. Accurately measure the weight of the fiber to be added based on the volume of concrete for each mix, following the mix ratio requirements or recommended dosage. After preparing the sand and gravel, add the polypropylene fibers. It is recommended to use a forced mixer to ensure uniform mixing. Add the aggregates, sand, gravel, and fibers together into the mixer. Ensure the fibers are dispersed among the aggregates. Dry mix for about 45 seconds, then add cement and water, mixing wet for about 30 seconds to ensure the fibers are fully dispersed. After mixing, take random samples for inspection. If the fibers are evenly dispersed into individual strands, the concrete is ready for use. If there are still clumps of fibers, extend the mixing time by 25-30 seconds before use. The concrete mixed with fibers is treated the same as ordinary concrete during construction and curing. It is recommended to add 0.9 to 1.2 kg of polypropylene fiber per cubic meter of concrete. Benefits: enhances crack resistance, improves durability, increases overall performance. Following these steps will ensure that TennoBricks polypropylene synthetic microfiber is well dispersed in the concrete, enhancing its performance.